In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly find your Wix name servers in just a few easy steps. Whether you're setting up a new website or adjusting your domain settings, knowing how to locate your name servers is an essential skill. Let's dive right in and make this as simple as possible for you. To get started, you're going to want to log in to your Wix account and navigate straight to your dashboard. This dashboard is your command center, the place where you can manage everything related to your site, from design elements to domain settings. Once you're comfortably situated in your dashboard, you'll see the URL right at the top of your browser. Pay attention to that link because it's a crucial piece of information you'll need in just a moment. Take a minute to copy that URL. It contains key details about your Wix site that are essential for the next steps. With that URL safely copied, go ahead and open a new tab in your browser. Type in miip.ms, a useful site for those looking to dig into the technical specifics of any website, including discovering its name servers. Once the site is loaded up, you'll notice a search bar prominently displayed. This is where you're going to paste the URL you just copied from your Wix dashboard. After you've done that, hit the Whois button. This action will trigger the site to pull up a plethora of domain details associated with your Wix site. At this point, you might feel a bit overwhelmed by the sheer amount of information that appears on the screen. Don't worry, you don't need to focus on everything. What you're looking for is a section specifically labeled as Website Name Servers. Just scroll down the page a little until you find it. Once you're there, you'll see exactly what you were hoping to find: the name servers for your Wix site, clearly listed for your convenience. And just like that, you've successfully located your Wix name servers. With this valuable information at your fingertips, you now have increased flexibility when managing your domain, whether you're connecting it to other services or performing updates. It's a small step that opens up a world of possibilities in terms of site management and optimization. If you found this tutorial helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance. And be sure to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks related to Wix. Thank you so much for watching, and best of luck with your website endeavors.